Okay, so now we are looking at how to divide number bases. So if we want to divide number bases, the first thing we need to do is convert the numbers in any particular base to base 10, divide the numbers, divide them, and then bring them back to whatever base they were initially. Let's look at an example. Okay. We have 302 base 6 divided by 5 base 6. So the first thing we need to do is convert each of these values to base 10, divide them, and then we bring them back to the initial base they were, which is base 6. So let's convert 302. So when converting a number in a particular base to base 10, we are going to expand the numbers. Over 2 here we have 0. Over 1 here we have, over 0 we have 1. Over 3 we have 2. So you can check out my YouTube channel, the playlist. You're going to see why we are doing it this way. So we're going to write 3 times 6 to the power of 2 plus 0 times 6 to the power of 1 plus 2 times 6 to the power of 0. Okay, so we have expanded the number. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. So this gives us 3 times 36 plus 6 to the power of 1 is 6. So we have 0 times 6 plus 6 to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 2 times 1. 3 times 36, what do we have? What's 3 times 36? 108. So this will give us 108 plus 0 times 6 is 0 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So our final answer is going to be 110 base 10. 110 base 10. So now we go to 5. 5 base 6. Over 5 we have 0. So this will give us 5 times 6 to the power of 0. 6 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. So this is the same thing as 5 base 10. So 5 base 6 is the same thing as 5 base 10. Right? So the next step is, since we are dividing, we now have 110 base 10 divided by 5 base 10. So since they are in base 10, it's just a normal division. 110 divided by 5. What will be the answer? 22, correct. So we have 22 base 10. So we have divided it, but we are still in base 10. That means we need to convert this 22 base 10 back to base 6. So let's do that. (22) divided by 6. 22 divided by 6 is going to give us 3 remainder 4. 3 remainder 4. And then 3 divided by 6 is going to give us 0 remainder 3. So that means we have 32. Therefore, we can simply say 302 base 6 divided by 5 base 6 is equal to 34 base 6. That gives us our answer. So we converted the values to base 10, divided them, and then brought them back to base 6. That's a simple procedure. So we're going to do one more question and then we are done with today's class. Let's take something a little bit more complex. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 is 4 divided by 23 is 4. Okay. So we need to convert these values to base 10. So we have 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 base 4. So over this last 3 we have 0. Over this 3 we have 1. We have 2. We have 3. We have 4. So what this means is 1 times 4 to the power of 4. Let me put them in brackets. Plus 3 times 4 to the power of 3 plus 2 times 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 1 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 0. Are we on the same page? Hope you guys understand what I have done. So because of space, we are just going to skip some steps. What's 4 to the power of 4? 256. Correct. So now 256 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 256. So we have 256 plus 4 to the power of 3. That's 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 multiplied by 3, what are we going to get? 198. So we have 198 plus 4 to the power of 2 is 16. 16 times 2, at least I can get that. I can try to get that one. 32. Hope I'm correct. Okay. So now 4 to the power of 1 is 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 4 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay. So now we have to add all these numbers together. What are we going to get? Oh, is it 192? Let's see. Yeah, 192. Thank you. So when you add all these numbers together, what do we have? 495. 495. So we have 495 base 10. So this number in base 4 is 495 base 10. So now we need to convert 23 base 4 to base 10. So 23 base 4. Above 3 we have 0. Above 2 we have 1. So this is 1. 2 times 4 to the power of 1 plus 3 times 4 to the power of 0. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So we have 8 plus 4 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So now we have 8 plus 3. What we have is 11 base 10. So we have converted the two values to base 10. So the next step is for us to divide them. Okay? So the next step is for us to divide them. We need to divide 495 by 11. Okay? So let's do that. So 495 divided by 11. So 495 divided by 11, what do we have? So we have 45. So 45 base 10. So we've gotten our answer in base 10, but we need to convert it back to base 4 because we started with base 4. So let's do that. So 45 base 10 converting to base 4. 45 divided by 4 is going to give us 11, remainder 1. 11 divided by 4 is going to give us 2, remainder 3. And 2 divided by 4 is going to give us 0, remainder 2. Okay? So in summary, 13233 base 4 divided by 23 base 4 is equal to 231 base 4. That gives us our answer. So I'm going to give you guys one question to try out, and then that'll be all for today's class.